Okay, the first page you're going to receive in its to-do list. And this is where it starts. The name of your people, plan the year, the pastors, the contact list, and way in the back, let's put it all the way over here. This is where every month, January, February, etc., etc. And the good thing about this is that you can type the information, right? Once you download it, you can edit. Okay, all you have to do is where it says T over here and start typing the person's name. Let's just say Bob. Okay, and Bob will volunteer that specific day. And then you continue, right? That's one. And then you continue on the next one. And basically that's how it is. And then what are your goals? You can press once again the T one more time, and then you can press over here. What are the goals? Also put the year 2024. And let's go to, let's put over here 2024. So it's all done here. When you download it, it's all done here. Okay, and you can put more information, notes. All you have to do is press this, and if you don't like something, right, you just get the eraser right here and you erase it. Maybe you didn't like this, so you can erase it. You can press it and push the little trash, right? Same thing over here. Maybe Bob couldn't make it, you erase it. That's it.